Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a logo in Canva. So from your Canva homepage, we're going to click on over to the templates page and type in logo, and you'll see different options will pop up in the search bar. So if you have something specific in mind, like if you want a business logo or a YouTube logo, you can click on one of those, or maybe you want your logo to be in a circle, or you want a food logo, you can click on one of those. If not, just type in logo, and then loads of professionally designed logos will come up. Remember that you can filter them even more by style and language. So if you're creating a business with a particular style that might be simple, minimalistic, modern, bold, corporate, whatever it is, you can click on one of those to get related designs. So I'm going to scroll through these, and remember that you can do a lot of editing to these logos. These are just like sort of like a template, and you can go in and add your own text and your own colors and own images. So you can hover your mouse over each one just to see a little bit more, and scroll through and choose one that closely aligns with what you are creating. So let me have a look. So I quite like this one. I quite like the text there. So I'm going to click on that and click on customize this template. So here is where the fun begins. So you can go ahead and edit your logo. So what is the name of your business? I'll put something in, agency number one. So remember, you can move the text and the images about. Say if I didn't like that the wording was quite far apart from each other, you can bring the line spacing down, so I can move the words a little bit nearer. I think that looks a little bit better. If you don't like this image, you can go ahead and find other little images. So if you're like a hair business or like a social media business, you can type in social media and see what different icons come up. So I'm going to click on graphics. So you might want something that relates more to social media, so I might delete that one. And what we got, so just something like this. I might want to put something like that there. Maybe you can make the images smaller or bigger just by grabbing the corners and dragging and dropping, things like that. If I don't like the background to my logo, I can click on that, click on the background color and choose from a load of different colors, even like gradient colors, which make it look a little bit different. So keep going until you've edited everything on your logo, get it exactly how you want it. And when you're happy, give your logo a name and you can download it and use it in your marketing materials and on your website. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.